everyone, I'm Vicky, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you are already part of my little sub family, thank you so much. So today is another Tesco haul. We went for the click and collect again, this time it cost £1 and I was quite busy, so Dan ended up doing the ordering of the food shop for me. I did write the list, but he selected all the items, so let's see what he's picked up. So the meals that we are going to be eating this week are some tikka masala fritters, which are from the Joe Wicks veggie book, some chicken pasta bake, which is from a Pinch and On book, some beef ragu with vegetables, which is also from a Pinch and On book, and some pak choy and pad thai, which is from the Joe Wicks veggie book. And a nice easy one is eggs, chips and baked beans. We already have meat in the freezer. The only thing we need to go to the butcher's for is some diced beef, and no fish is on the menu this week. So I'm now going to show you what items I picked up. So I'm going to start over here. I got a roll-on Dove deodorant, some of the Winner lot with turkey, beef and chicken with potatoes and vegetables for Charlie. He is eating his meals again, which is good. Got some of the mango chutney. This was £1 I think. A huge 3 kilogram bag of fusilli pasta. A bunch of spring onions, some fat-free Greek style yoghurt. This is only 45p. Some raspberries, some of the dry egg noodles, some tomato passata, a bag of fresh mint. This smells incredible. Bananas, some pearl barley. I only need 50 grams of this for one of the recipes, but they didn't have a smaller bag, so I've got 500 grams. I'll have to see what other recipes I can use this for, because I haven't got a clue. Got some bean sprouts, some more of the 30% reduced fat mature cheddar. The Muller lights are still on offer, 8 for £3. Because Dan did the shop, he just went with all toffee flavour. Some mangtaut or mange too, however you pronounce that. 2 punnets of mushrooms, some leeks, spinach once again, blueberries, a single courgette, some of the soft cheese again, a huge bottle of semi-skimmed milk. I think we ran out of milk this time, so that's why Dan has got this huge one. So many eggs, because again we ran out of eggs and realised just how much we use eggs for making breakfast and things, so we've got 24 of them. A frozen bag of mixed vegetables. And the last few bits, 4 individual carrots. I think these are 4p each, so only 16p for those 4 carrots. 2 brown onions. Every meal that we have seems to include an onion, a cucumber, some of the Jamie Oliver tikka masala curry paste. This was £2. For some reason the online shop didn't come up with any cheaper alternatives, so Dan just went for that one. Some of the Milky Ways again, some roasted peanuts for one of the meals. I needed a smaller bag, but me and Dan like peanuts anyway, so they'll get eaten. Another bag of the all-rounder potatoes at 91p, and some of the easy peelers. I got a tin of chickpeas in water for the fritters, some of the apple and blackcurrant squash and some of the cherries and berries squash, and then I got the Dettol washing machine cleaner, and Dan got himself some deodorant. So that is everything on today's food shop. If you've watched this video till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon, but for now, goodbye!